Hey everybody, welcome to Master None Garage. I'm Andrew. I know it's been a while, but you know, there's no shop and there's probably not going to be a shop. I'll talk about that later in a different video. But today we're going to be redoing the headliner in my van. That's some content. If you like today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. Almost to 300. If not, right now we're almost to 300. Maybe by the time this video comes out, we'll be right at 300. So type in a little comment down there. Actually helps me in the algorithm. More comments I have, the more views I get, which is, I mean, it makes sense. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, so let's get to it. So we're over at my buddy Ryan's house. That's Ryan.
Yeah, that's me.
Say hi, Ryan.
Hi, Ryan.
Yeah, so that's Ryan, and we're gonna clean out the inside of the van. This is my work van, and Ryan hates his life right now.
Yeah, why do you even have body panels in this thing?
So we're gonna clean out the junk in here, and then we can remove that junk up there. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. We got the thing cleared out. Ryan's in there removing the interior panels, and we will shortly be taking the headliner out. So I'm just gonna cut to when we're ready to take the headliner out. All right, so headliner is pretty much out. We're gonna pull it out the rest of the way, but there's a bunch of like wires that are on it. You have to unplug, like they're attached to the sun visors and the overhead controls and stuff like that. Yeah, we're gonna pull this thing out now. So that was what was it, Ryan? It was ridiculous.
Yeah.
So I'll show you. All this was attached to the headliner by glue, and it was underneath the foam, and all this could have been avoided if they put plugs right here on the B pillars, but they didn't. We're gonna sand this thing down and get all the particles off, and then we'll put that fabric on there, and it'll be great again. Let me show you the fabric we're going to be using for this. So I went with the classic flannel, and this is actually tan, so it matches the inside of the van. Then you got black and red. So I think this will go real well with the inside of the van, and maybe later on down the road I'll use the spare, the scraps, or I'll get some more, depending on if I have stuff left over. And I'll do some like inserts in the doors, like these. I'll do these. and then I'll do down here probably. And this is nice fabric already, so I'll probably pop that out somehow, and I'll just glue right on top of that, and I'll glue right on top of this because this is nice fabric too. And we got some like some speaker covers right here, so and then there's some stuff on the door too. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use this fabric. I can get some more of it if I need some, and just have a little taste of Mountain Man throughout the van. I mean, people tell me I look like a mountain man. I don't even live in the mountains. I love the mountains. If I could like chop wood all day, man, that's the American dream. Just chop wood all day and then go hiking, go kill a bear, fish. I fished once. I didn't catch anything. I was like really young. I haven't had an opportunity to fish since. But yeah, I go fish, go kill a bear, go eat some bear meat. I guess they eat bear meat. I'll eat some bear meat, I don't care. Anyways, yeah, so gonna just keep on at it, and I just you know, once this hot glue thing, I'll fix this. Yeah. You gotta shake this aggressively.
You make it sound like... You make it sound like...
So we got it glued. And it's drying, it's curing. It takes about 2 hours. Ryan's just gonna keep on talking during this. You know, that's what he does. If you don't know Ryan,
It's my specialty.
he just talks and talks and talks and then talks one more time. And then he talks one more time. But anyways, yeah, so it looks pretty good. See, he's still talking. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold these over and I'm gonna hot glue them on the inside underneath there. You got something else to say, Ryan?
Always.
He's always got something else to say. And one more thing. Yeah, so we're just gonna like let it cure and dry completely. Yeah, and then we'll throw it back in there. We're gonna throw it back in there today. Yeah. All right, quick little update. I decided to go ahead and paint the all the things that mount to the ceiling, all the little bezels and stuff, black. From they were tan. I think if they were tan, they'd kind of like stick out like a sore thumb. Right now, I am cutting all the edges. I already hot glued the edges. Use a hot glue gun. And I'm cutting all the excess. So all this stuff is just gonna end up looking like this. And I think after that, I think she'll be ready to go back in. But I got all the holes cut. I glued the inside of this, so this has to be cut. I'm gonna leave this and leave this. All these smaller holes, I think they'll be fine because the bezel will cover them up and keep the edges from fraying. Yeah, so just gonna continue on doing this. Throw it in there. Ryan's still talking. He just talks to nobody. He just keeps on talking. And yeah, that's his you know, that's what he likes to do. I mean, he just talks. Just continues to talk. Just talks about everything. He can cover about 20 different subjects in about 9 minutes, which is pretty impressive. So, anyways, yeah, we're gonna throw this thing in here and start to button it back up. All right, we're done. Still got to put all the stuff back in the van, but it looks pretty good in my opinion. It looks better on camera probably than it does in real life, but that's good enough for me. I'm going to leave you guys with some shots of the finished headliner, and yeah, I don't know when I'll upload another video, but you know, I'll do my best. Kind of hard with no shop. By the way, I went to Power Tour, and I'm going to make a little video about that. I'll probably tell you about what's going on with the shop and you know, just give an update of everything. Anyways, if you liked today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.